Just gonna try some float testing. I'm tempted, but I don't know if it's got enough power. I don't know if it's got enough strength to carry them damn things. I really want to try, but I'm worried. I don't want to have to pull out the rescue raft, you know? As I said, my main concern is it don't have enough power to carry that extra weight. It's only a 3-cell. I'd like to try the 4-cell, but the motor specifically says 3-cell max. I'm not sure. There's a canoe right there, and I got my rescue raft. I don't know whose canoe it is. I'm pretty sure it's right there. The wind, of course, is coming straight across. I'd have to go right into it. I'd like to go right along the edge of the land. This way, if it went bad, I only got a few feet to go in. I'm such a worrywart. It's funny. Ooh, I was tempted. You know what the next biggest, I guess the first biggest fear I should say, is I've never flown on water. Never. So that alone tells me I'm gonna have to go swimming. Ooh, alright, I can't be scared, I'm seeing. Once I hit that takeoff speed, if I don't take off, it cuts hard. I'm guessing. This is all my first impressions. Why am I such chicken? I guess another reason is because I'm by myself. That could be a big reason. Almost did it. Almost did it. Such an asshole. Oh my god, this is terrible. Honestly, I think it'll do fine. Honestly, it looks like it might do it. I'm so scared to do it. I'm so nervous. I gotta get my nephew here.